Here's the thing. It can be very frustrating learning to use motion sense on the Google Pixel 4 XL. And yes, it feels gimmicky. And I feel silly doing this. But I'm training myself. I'm prepping myself for the future. Right now, there's not very many of us utilizing that type of functionality, that type of tech. And, well, it's got a long ways to go to become something that will actually get the average consumer to utilize that technology into their lives. Yeah, the future is going to be an amazing time to be in with everything we're seeing now and what it will be like as we go into the next 5 years, 10 years. Wow. And there will be other type of technology that you'll be able to adopt into this type of technology. It's going to get crazy. It's going to be fun. It's going to be great. But with fun and great comes a dark side of that too. There's always a dark side. There's good and evil. Okay. Will it make you happy? No. I mean, it'll be fun. You'll be happy for the moment, but it won't bring true happiness. It'll just be a productive way of living life. It'll be a way of life. But for right now, it is frustrating. It is gimmicky and it is silly. But if I'm going to be doing this here on YouTube, reviewing smartphones, and well, my Google Pixel 4 XL has this type of tech, this type of functionality, then I have an obligation within myself to at least give it a chance. Now, I would not have been saying this a year ago. I've changed a lot over the last year. I've opened my mind. I tend to live in this little circle, and I need to make that circle bigger. There's some of you out there that want to know about that type of tech, that type of functionality, and why not give it a chance in trying to allow it to become a part of what I do here so I can share it with all of you. You want to know whether it's worth picking up because you're interested in using that type of technology, not just for the phone itself and everything else it has to offer you. But is that an area that you're going to utilize possibly, and you'd like to see some demos in these type of videos? And yeah, you're going to pay a lot of money. You might as well try to use it. Don't turn it off until you've at least tried to use it. And that's what I want to do moving forward. So that's what I'm doing. You know, you can squeeze to bring up the Google Assistant. I've been using that. I wouldn't have used that last year, I'll tell you that, or a few months ago. But yeah, you know, Face Unlock. I never used to use that either, but I'm utilizing it now. I'll tell you something, man. I do wish we had the fingerprint reader as an option, but we don't. And Face Unlock is a thumbs up, man. It's a total go. I think for me, within myself, I have an obligation to at least try, to give it a chance, and then share that with all of you. And yeah, I look forward to the future. I really do. It just in my mind, I can only imagine stuff that I watched as a kid in movies and TV shows, and now it's becoming reality. You know, 900 smacks. I just really started to think, you know, why am I so adamant against trying? Most of you remember that using an iPhone was just out of the question. Now, I did have the iPhone 8 Plus for a while. That didn't work out. But I didn't give up. I didn't give up. I was hesitant. But when I started to see the reaction to the iPhone 11, especially with the cameras and video, I had to pick it up. And now I'm in love. And what really does it for me right now with my iPhone 11 is the cameras. I mean, it's better than anything I've had all year long. And it would have to be my favorite smartphone of the year because of that area just being so dominant. It doesn't take away from my Google Pixel 4 XL. It doesn't take away from my OnePlus 7 Pro. A device that I recently sold was the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. All powerhouse devices in their solo right. But I'll tell you, the experience of my iPhone 11 has just been phenomenal. And it's a simple experience with amazing cameras. So I kind of went off into another conversation like I always do, but it comes back to me broadening what I do here. And it starts with me, and then I'm able to share it with all of you. And right now, this is an area on any smartphone that I wouldn't have given the time of day to try out. And now I'm doing it. And I'm having fun with it. Again, it's frustrating, it's gimmicky right now, and it's silly, but it's also educational. And for those of you out there that have the Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL, try to utilize what is on there. You paid a lot of money. And if you're not going to use it, then turn it off. But give it a chance. That's what I'm trying to do. And that's what I'm trying to share with all of you. I'll tell you this, the alarm clock part of it, frustrating. I get up really early in the morning, usually before my alarm clock goes off. It's dark in the bedroom. I sit up on the edge of my bed and I'm waving. And then I remember, wait a second, the waving part doesn't really work. Then I go sideways and it's still not turning. I'm like, yeah. I need that area to get better, like really fast. And that's what I mean. But stay patient. I know I am. I know I am. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of this video. Leave some feedback. Talk to me. Talk to me down below in that comment section. And please, if this is your first time here on Team My Project 13, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share the videos on your social media. So my next video, this is My Project 13. Peace. God bless. I am out.